Hello there, today in this video I'll show how to replace Google Dialer and get OnePlus Dialer and contacts on any OnePlus device. In many regions, OnePlus ship their devices with Google Dialer instead of their own, which is preferred over Google Dialer because of its UI and features. So in this video, we'll replace Google Dialer with the OnePlus Dialer on any OnePlus device running OxygenOS. To start with, you'll require your OnePlus device that runs at least Android 11 or above. That's the minimum requirement. Though I have not tested it on an Android 11 device, I've tested it on my Android 14 device and it works flawlessly. The next thing you'll require is the APK. In fact, two APKs, one for the dialer and the other for contacts. You can grab both APKs from the link in description. After you download the APKs, you've got to install them manually using your file manager app. You can open the app once it's installed. You can't directly open the Dialer app, you've got to open the Contacts app first, and then you can access Dialer from there. Once the Contacts app is installed, you will see a Dialer shortcut in your app drawer. I've tested it and it works well. The call logs work, the notifications work, the call screen work as well. Let's have a quick preview of the app. So as you can see, the app is working pretty well, including the call recording. Now you can remove the Google Dialer, though you cannot uninstall it completely, but if you don't want to see it in your app drawer, you can go to the app's info page and disable the app from there. Once you disable the app, the shortcut for that app will be hidden from the app drawer. And now you can place the new OnePlus Dialer on your dock. So that was it. Hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Peace.